Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video we will learn or we will talk about the just top 6 SQL queries, just which is really helpful in your daily life, right? In your daily routine. So I'm going to write a SQL queries right on based on the real scenarios. So first I'm going to write a query to get the employees name whose sales are same, right? So first I'm select distinct, or you can say whose salaries are same, right? Distinct employee name, right? Employee ID and sales, right? From employee details E and employee details, I'll take it really as E1, right? So I'm taking here as a E dot employee name, and here I'm using E dot, right? E dot, right? Where E dot sales equal to E1 dot sales, and E dot employee ID is not equal to E1 dot employee ID, right? So this is the query to getting the same sales, right, of the employees. So I'm going to execute this query, and now you can see that here you can see, right, the sales, just the employee name whose sales are same. This is the first query, so I'm going to comment it. Now I'm going to write a second SQL query, right, to getting the 50% data from the table. So how would I do that? So for this, select star from table name employee details, right, where employee ID less than equal to select count, right, employee ID divided by 2 from employee details. Yes, right guys? So this is the query to getting the 50% or half of the data from the table. So I'm going to write this query. So now you can see that in my table I have 22 rows. So with the help of this I'm getting that 11 data. So I'm going to execute this query. Now you can see that here I got the 50% of the data, 11 data here, right? So this is my second query, and I'm going to write a third query to just to get the name of the employees having the highest sales in each address, right? So suppose that this guy is here, I have an employee address right here like that. So I want an employee name, right, whose sales are highest, right? Only the one name. So for this I'm what I'm going to do, I'm going to select max sales as total sales, right, and here employee address, employee address from employee details group by employee address, right guys? So now what I'll do is with the help of this I'll got the maximum sales, right, of the employee address. So what I need to next, I need to get the name. So for this I'm going to write a subquery that is select employee name, right, employee address, right, and sales from. So I'll take it here as alias, that is new tab. I'm using a inner join here, inner join employee details, that is t on, right, on t dot employee address equal to new tab dot employee address and t dot sales equal to new tab dot sales, total sales, right? So what I need to do, I need to here like this t dot t dot and t dot. So this is the query basically to getting the name of the employees, right, having the highest sales based on the address. So I'm going to execute this query. Now you can see that. So here you can see the output. Now you can see the output. We have the name from the each address, right, from the each address whose sales are highest, right? So this is the third query. I'm going to commenting it. I'm going to write a fourth query, right, which is basically used to get the last record from the table. So select star from employee details where employee ID equal to select, right, max employee ID from employee details. So with the help of this we can get the last record from the table. So I'm going to execute this query. So now you can see that here I have a last data is Chris case. So I'm going to execute this query. So now you can see that I have here the last data of the table with the help of this query, right? So I'm going to commenting it. This is the fourth one. So I'm going to write a fifth query, right? Fifth query basically I'm going to replace a particular string, right, with a specific string. So I'm going to suppose select replace employee name, right? So I'm going to replace Singh with the Mr. Singh. So Singh Mr. Singh. from employee detail. So I'm going to commenting it first. It's so now what I'll do is I'll get the data Mr. Singh instead of Singh. So I'm going to execute it. So now you can see that I have all the data which replace Singh with the Mr. Singh. So this is the fixed query. So now I'm going to comment it. Right. So now I'm going to write a sixth query, that is last query. So which is basically just I'm going to just get the first three letters or characters from the column of a particular table. So how would I do that? So select, I'll use a substring function or method. Select substring employee name from first to third, right? From employee details. So here is the query. Now you can see that I got the first three letters right of a first column from a table. So guys, this is the sixth or last query. So guys, just this is the all about, right? So guys, if you have any concern, any doubt right in the SQL queries or in this section, so please write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that, guys. So guys, thank you. Thanks for the guys. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it to getting the updated videos. So guys, thank you. Thanks for the watching.